What's going on YouTube, and welcome back to the channel. If you're new, hit that subscribe button. So in the last video you saw that I could not fix this car to get it an MOT, but luckily for me, Dan from DG Maps is on his way over now and he's going to try and map it out. So hopefully the first part of this video is getting the car able to be MOT'd. Then I'll be able to call Danny at Library Road Garage, book an MOT spot, and we can actually start driving this car that I've owned for a month, that has literally sat in the unit for a month. Black grills are now on as well, looking good. So yeah, I'm hopeful. We'll see what happens in the next 10 minutes. So Dan has literally just left when he was here at work. So with you guys, let's see if it does it now. I am super stoked because it means this car can get an MOT hopefully this week, and we are probably not this week, next week, because we're on Wednesday already. But spin this around. So obviously before, these two lights stayed on. There goes the airbag light. Obviously I don't have my seatbelt on. Start the car up. Do the seatbelt. And there we go. Handbrake off. No warning lights! Some might think that that is an overreaction, but I have had this car for over a month. I bought this car before Christmas, or just in the gap of Christmas New Year. So it is now the 4th of February or 3rd of February, and it is finally able to go for an MOT. Still got a tire pressure warning light. Obviously we've got that blown sensor or crack in the wheel, whatever it is, to be addressed. But it means that this car will pass an MOT, and it cost me £20. So if you've got a BMW and you're in the Dorset area, Dan at DG Maps, I'll leave his information in the description. Absolute lifesaver. Massively saved me. Okay guys, so it's been a couple of days since you've seen the first part of that video, and we've got the 5 Series out. So tomorrow morning the car is booked in for the retest. Everything that would have made it fail before has been sorted. So as the car now, it's looking pretty good at this point. I just give it a little wash. Obviously this side, all the paint correction is done. Looks absolutely mint. So tomorrow it goes for the MOT. When I get it back, then it's going to the body shop. Obviously we've got that. I took the lights in off the back because it looked rubbish. So the back bumper needs to be painted because of there and there. So the scratch down the side, obviously, if you guys remember that, that's got to be painted. The bonnet, obviously, because of those scratches, and the front bumper is also scuffed. But in this video I want to sort out the interior. So obviously the interior is disgusting on this car right now. I haven't cleaned it. So boot, just dirty. Obviously I need to put all of the covers back in. The CCC system still needs to be sent off. Hopefully sort that out this week. I'm trying to get an MOT on the car. In terms of the inside, again, not horrific, it's just really dirty. So it's just dirt and mud and bits. Same over here. So today I'm going to give this car a revamp, and I'm going to dye the mats and the floors as well. So this car will be looking brand new. I forgot the leather treatment, which is in the unit, so I might have to go up and get that. But basically we'll just get this all trimmed up, looking nice, clean, fresh, ready for the MOT. Wind deflectors on from last episode. We've got the wheels looking sick now with the center caps. So yeah, let's pull the car inside and let's start detailing this interior so we are ready for tomorrow. Big day. I've got everything pulled out of the car, ready to start hoovering. So I basically simply pulled the mats out, pulled everything out. I'm going to hoover everything. Come around with a drill brush, dry drill brush. So I'll show you. Drill all of everything out as much as I can. Hoover it again. Wipe everything down. Dye what needs to be dyed. Clean all the plastics, but we'll whack through it. So obviously got a little bit of work to do. It's not horrific. It's dirty, but it's not skanking. I've cleaned a lot worse.
Get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I wanna get you one more time, one more time, one more time, one more time. I want it one more time. I really need to make it right. Energy I overdose, 'cause I'm ready to reload. I need it one more time, but baby then again twice. But I don't know if I'm ready to let go. I'm gonna have you one.
So we got the basics all hoovered out now. So the whole car has been hoovered out. I'm gonna come with a drill brush and drill all of the carpets and really try and get any bits that are embedded out. But the drill brush patch is dead, so that's on charge. So whilst I wait, I'm gonna crack on with the nastiness that is this. And obviously you're gonna get more bits on the floor when you're brushing out all of this. So I'm literally gonna now get some APC and the making it worse. Get some APC and a brush and start brushing, wiping all of the little crevices, all of this, all of that, everything. Let's crack on.
I could die in your arms, 'cause I don't need to live forever. I don't need to live forever. 'Cause I don't. I wanna get you one more time. I really wanna cross the line. I do it all before I die. I wanna get it on tonight. I wanna get you one more time.
So this car was owned by 2 previous women, and look at that makeup. Let's get that all scrubbed off. So cleaning the car properly takes absolute ages. So basically I've been in with the brush and APC in all the grooves in the door card, the dash, the side of the seat. So now I'm just about to start on the back, literally cleaning everything with the drill brush, the rails, the back console, backs of the seat. So yeah, it's just a case of literally cracking on and wiping every inch, dusting every little crevice so you have a really nice brand spanking car. Let's crack back on. Okay, so we're definitely winning. All the plastics are now done. All the interior is now done, except for the seats. So now we're gonna get the same procedure, a brush, APC, brush all the seats. This one is a bit more annoying than normal because 2 lady owners have had it. So you got foundation, fake tan, and all of that jazz on everything. So it's a bit annoying, but obviously everything is coming up really nice now. So now these seats, so they're looking a bit grey. I don't have the leather feed here, which is annoying, but they're definitely going to come up a lot more black when they're done. So let's dive in to the seats. So after about, I don't know, 4.5 hours, the seats are done, the mats are done. The mats could do with being replaced, to be honest, because they are old. But they've come up all right, and I'm going to put some carpet dye on them now as well, so they look even blacker. Literally. So obviously everything is looking spanking clean, nice. I would have liked to have some leather feed for the seats, but you know, it's one of those things. The only thing left to do is, obviously that's not coming out of the boot, we already tried. You get some carpet dye in there, so we'll do that now and we'll wrap this up. What a long day. So when you're dealing with this stuff, gloves. Dye. Guys, so we are done there. The car is really clean, about 4 or 5 hours to clean. It could be cleaner still, but for now, it's got dark. MOT's tomorrow, it's enough. We'll address, once the car comes back from paint, there's gonna be dust inside the car anyway, because that always happens when you send your car to a body shop. So I'll see you in the next one. Like, subscribe, see you for now, bye.